Hey, if you are not subscribing on this channel and you are not liking this video, just keep it, man. There's no need for you to watch it. Just leave, okay? So I'm making this video for those people who will hit the subscriber button and those who will like the video. If you won't do any of that, just keep next video. Go to the next video. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you a robot that will tell you if the candlestick is a buy or it's a sell. Okay, if the candlestick is a buy or a sell. It's a tricky one. Okay, it's not that easy, but we are going to do it. Remember, me and you, we're just beginners. We don't know nothing. We don't even know that everything you write must end with the semicolon. That everything that you write must end with this every time, like you are doing something. Okay, so I'm serious. If you are not going to like, subscribe, you can just skip this video. It's useless for you. Okay, this one is for the subscribers and those who like. So yeah, let's begin. The best way to do this now, we are going to begin with the I don't mind what I'm doing on my screen now. I'm just deleting this. It's fine. So we're going to start with the variables. Okay, so our variable, we can call it a double. It's fine. Our first variable is double. Remember, we are reading if the candlestick is a buy or it's a bullish or. I love to do this, I love to do every time twice to show that I'm a really beginner like yourself. So what happened here is double. You can just say, how do we do it? That's the first thing. First thing that you must do, you must find out. Let me go to the chart so that I can explain very well. Before you do this, okay, now I'm just removing indicators. Okay, don't worry, I'm just removing this indicator here. I can't even remember where to do it. Can you just imagine? Indicator list, delete. I love the chart clean like this. Okay, of course not when I'm trading. I want all the indicators to be on the charts, not now. I'm programming. So we want to know if this candlestick is a bearish. You can see it's a bearish. It's red already. This one is a bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. What was happening here? Okay, you can see this one is bearish, bearish. But then, how do you make a robot that can tell you this? Okay. On my previous videos, I made I was showing you how to check the open and the close. So the best thing that you can do, we all know that. Not we all know. Maybe someone don't know out there. Whoever, I don't know. But some people don't know, okay? But me and you, we know, okay? We know that if the candlestick is a bearish, the opening will be here. The closing will be here, which means the opening will be lower than the closing. The closing will be greater than the opening. Let me repeat myself. Let me show you with this one. You remember, you see this big candlestick, sounds like NFP news. This big candlestick is a bullish, right? The only way for me and you to know if this is a bullish, it's the open. Remember where the bullish candlestick opens? Here. It closes here. And then we can just be smart. We can just program that if the open is less than the closing, that is a bullish. But if the open here, remember the open is here. If the open is greater than the closing, it's a bearish candlestick. I don't know if you can understand me. The bearish candlesticks opens here, opens at the top, closes at the bottom. So the open is always greater than the closing. You can even read here. When I put my mouse here, you can see, let me show you. The open is 755 while the closing is 725. The closing is lower, the open is higher. But on the bullish one, the opening is lower, the closing is higher. 706, the closing is 738. Okay, so how do we do this? Remember, I have the previous videos where I placed this. Nah? You can just watch those. It's in the same playlist. Okay, so let's start now. I made the double. Remember, this is the type you can put into whatever, but let's work with the double now. We want to read just one candlestick. Okay, so now I will say the open. Let me say candle open. Okay, I'll show you how nice is this. That's when you play with the, it's nice, man. Candle open. Okay, and then here I'll say candle close. You can just type what I do, it's fine, but making mistake here, we are going to fix them, me and you, as long if you subscribe and gave me a like. If you didn't, I'm not talking to you. Okay, so candlestick open. Remember on the previous video we said if you want to find the open, you must say I open. You see, I open, then you open this whatever you call them, brackets, whatever, and then the first thing you do is symbol. It's null, it's fine. You can put symbol if you want. There's this symbol there. So let me show you that symbol that I mean. You can also put this. You can see symbol, it's the same thing, but I prefer null because it's short and it's for lazy people like me and you. Okay, so okay, now the time, it will say current is fine. As soon as we put the comma, it will suggest for you shift. These are the candlestick that you want. On the previous videos I explained this shift very well. So one, the current one. So the closing is the same thing. The only thing that you need to do, you can just copy this, paste here, but remember it's closed, right? It's not open, so you can just say I close. You see, now I close, everything is fine. So what do you do here? What you do is simple here. You only say, we come to init, we don't have ticks, it's weekend, market is closed. So, oh, my null is wrong. Should be caps, all of it. Yeah, caps, yeah, now it's fine. We won't find any errors, yeah, it's fine. So now we have, let's go to the charts. Now we have the open. Remember, this is candlestick 0. We have the open, which is 732, and the close, which is 730. So how do we know if this candlestick it's a bullish or a bearish? How this robot will know? So we can use if statement. I have a lot of videos about if statement and all those things. So you can just say if. I'll have to do this, guys. Sorry. I just left. So in these brackets that you see here, you can see my mouth is these brackets here. So you'll only say if so you can only say if candle stick close is less than candlestick open. Candlestick open. Then say to us remember, if close is less than candlestick open, let's see. This one we have closed here. If close is less than candlestick open is this one, close is this one, then you can just say it's a bearish. Okay, it's a sell. Let's compile, no errors. Else, remember when you work with, you can just say else, because obvious if that's not true, it means the this one is bigger than that one, so it's just the opposite. If it's the opposite of this, let's say it's a bullish, the same thing. Okay, you can also, okay, so let's go to our chart and see if this works. Okay, our chart is here. What is this candlestick? Let's ask our robot. It's still the closing candlestick. You'll forgive me, né? The name doesn't matter. Bearish. Okay, it says this is a bearish candlestick and we can all see with our eyes. That's our robot. But then what if we have bullish? I'll just change the time frames, because you know the time frames are not the same. Okay, I'm not getting what I'm looking for, but I want now I'm looking for a time frame or whatever which will give us the bullish at the end. You can see it's all bearish, which I don't like, because our robot will keep on saying it's bearish. You can see, yes, it seems like no, let's go. Oh, it's bearish the whole month. How is that even possible? Okay, let me try to get okay, let me get another, what do you call, another symbol. Okay, let me go to Forex. This one is GBP. Let's try this one. In fact, I think we need the one where the USD is. The USD is the, what do you call this? I even forgot, man. You know, because we're doing a lot every day. Okay. Oh, I'm failing. Okay. Yeah, but whatever that I'm trying to show you guys is, if we had the bullish here, okay, in fact it's fine, eh? Let me go back to my M1. I will check this one. Okay, this one is candle 0, this one is candle 1. Because here it's 0 0, it's candle 1, it's candle 0. If we can also do candle 1, it will stay, it will still say it's a bearish. Remember, oh, it says it's bullish. I wonder why. Okay, let's do it. Oh, it's bullish. I don't think this is the right time frame. You can see it's just saying bullish. So yeah, let's go back to 0. I'm sorry guys, I failed to find the another thing, but you can see it's just like that. I don't like, it's just too bad. But yeah guys, you can see that our robot is working. Though I'm failing to put this on the chart, I don't know. You know, I've used the phone a lot. Okay, this one I just know how to program and all those but you can see that now our robot is giving us what we want. Okay, we can only tell if we use these things to subtract and what do you call whatever, to minus. Okay, so let's compile here. It's candlestick 3. Sure, yeah, it's candlestick 3, which is 1 2 3. You can see it says bullish. Remember, it's 0 1 2 3. Did I write 3 there? No, I wrote 2, which is correct. It's 0 1 2. But if I can write 3, it must be bearish. Now you can see it shows now it shows bullish. Okay, let's go again. It goes 0 1 2. It's number 2. Let's put our robot again on the chart. It says bullish because it's 0 1 2. But if I can put number 3, hopefully we get the bearish, because if we don't, man, I'm just ending this video. I won't even ask you to subscribe, okay? But if we get, I hope you just, you see, now you must just hit the subscribe. Now we have a bearish because it's 0 1 2 0 1 2 3. Even if you can do 0 1 2 4, which is 4 and 5, it will still say bearish. So now our robot can read. Let me put the code so that you can read. You can copy and paste on your charts. But while you are doing that, don't forget to give me a subscribe. Okay? I need that subscribe and a like. I really need them. If you don't, you will forget very soon. You will forget everything that I taught you here very soon. But if you give me a subscribe, you will remember and you will be smart. Okay? Thank you guys. We have a website now. I'll put the link of the website in the description below. You can go there and buy everything that you want. Everything that you see there, you just like, it's about Forex, of course. Everything about Forex. You can just buy. My contacts are available. You have my emails and all those things. Just buy, guys. Buy there. Support me so that this channel can grow. We have a lot of things to do. Okay? Thank you guys. Subscribe. Just subscribe, man. Sharp.